all. Everything. Moss. Nasaan tayo ngayon?
We're now in Hyatt Place.
Hyatt Place.
We're gonna stay here for 2 days.
Okay, ito yung Hyatt Place. Ayun yung hotel. Naka-park. So, nagbababa na ng mga gamit. Very, very independent na.
Yes. What are you going to ask me?
Nothing.
How are you?
Good.
Where do you live in Philippines?
Manila.
Manila. Where exactly in Manila? How long have you been staying here? Years. Really nice. You know, I got here. It's like 4 months ago. Yeah.
Congratulations.
And I got this job 2 months ago. That's it.
Anak, you can ask anything.
But I already know it.
Until when are we going to stay here? You can ask her.
Me, I'm actually moving to another work. Okay, that's it.
Oh,
Period. I just know what do I ask? Since you're telling me what to ask.
Philippines, I'm from Batangas.
Yes.
Batangueña.
Batangueña.
Yeah.
Kalas? Finish? Okay. Say hi. Bye-bye.
Stop using your phone.
Ano pang hinihintay natin dito, anak?
We're just waiting for our chart to be prepared.
Sino-sino tayo?
Lola, Mom,
Go to Lola. Turo mo sa Lola.
you, Baba, Mon,
Kuya? Ano masasabi mo?
It's good. And we just booked from Hyatt Place.
Ha?
We just booked from Hyatt Place.
Hyatt Place. Okay, maganda yung lugar, ano?
Yeah. This is where Sam got his birthday.
Good. Okay, ha? Yung paggamit natin? Tingnan mo, nakayanan nyo na, ha? Anak, hindi pa tayo dito matutulog. May room tayo. Okay. Ayun. Ayun. Can I take a picture so that we have a record?
Go.
Okay.
So Sam, this will be your room key. It's 229. This will also serve as your room Wi-Fi username, and then the password will be your last name. Okay? Thank you.
Remember, Shikaira, it's his birthday last June. So what is the tradition?
This is a funeral update.
Yeah.
Did you press anak?
Did you press the...
two? Press it again.
Okay. Press the
Have the key, I think.
okay.
Where's the key?
Tap the key. Press the... Thank you, sir.
No problem. No problem.
Remember, anak, you have to tap the key before
course.
pressing anything.
Yeah, I told you we cannot go up.
Moss is
Money. Must be funny. Hey, money. You wouldn't understand.
I remember this.
Two, three, zero.
Where do I put this?
Sige, anak.
There's.
You know this, ha? You are trained to do this.
I'm not.
Sige, open the door until Mama goes in.
Oh my gosh.
Sige, anak. Don't worry. The other rooms are also as well. Sige, attention.
Madam,
You know the first thing to do with the bed?
you lay down, madam, on your...
Hold up.
Gusto ba dito madamo here?
What? Oh.
Mine's beside Boss. Yes. You know the first thing to do
Oh!
is the bed.
Jump! One more. Jump na.
Two.
One! Oh, kuya!
Return.
Oh, enough na.
Oh my God. Mom.
Oh, enough na.
Guys. So this is the room
Oh,
tour.
what is inside that one?
The cabinet with the safe.
Oh, patingin nga. Open mo nga. Naku, pinipindot mo na. Oh, yan. Paborito mo yan eh. Oh. Kung merong may kailangan ng sleeper, andito yung sleeper, ha?
And then I enter my 4-digit.
Okay, oh, sige. And ano naman dito?
And this is the mirror. This is the washroom.
Oh, ganda.
The towel scrubber there. This is where we put our stuff.
Okay. Saan nakalagay yung mga shoes?
Right
Oh, second drawer.
here.
Ayun. Okay
Mine
na.
is right beside Baba's.
Okay na? Oh, kuya.
Hi, and now we bought 2 rooms. This is the one that we went first, and this is now. This is the room 230.
This is the connecting room.
Yeah.
Okay. So, ito yun. Nagko-connect siya. Tagusan siya. Yun. So, lalagyan na natin yung mga... Tingnan natin yung CR. Tapos, lagyan na natin yung mga gamit. Sam, ikaw na bahala sa mga gamit. Be careful, ha? Sige.
Oh my gosh! You're so... Wait, my feet!
Hoy! Sam, careful!
We're in the gym. This is the gym.
Oh, ito yung gym. Ito yung fitness center niya. Hindi tayo makapasok sa loob kasi may tao. May tao. And alam niyo naman dito, syempre kapag pag nahagip ng video, syempre na-offend sila. So, maganda yung gym. Nag-gym ako yesterday.
You can work out here is for 24 hours.
Yun, 24 hours dito, 24/7. So, dito rin yung spa. Ayun yung spa. Tapos, ito yung spa. Tapos, ito yung papunta ng pool. Okay? O anak, paliwanag mo. O, saan yung papunta ng pool? So, ito yun. Pero, maraming tao sa itaas. Oo, crowded. Oo. Okay? O, sige. O, tapos na kami mag-dinner. Nagpunta kami ng Satwa. Doon kami kumain. Anong kinain niyo ron? Ito, may take home si Sam. Palabok. Mami, ano kinain niyo sa Satwa?
Yung pasta, saka yung tawag yung pusit na calamares.
Calamares.
Ano pa ba? Salad.
Kitang-kitang
Tapsilog.
busog. Oo, yun.
Tapsilog.
Oo.
Spicy kuracha chicken.
Ikaw,
And,
kuya?
I eat the spicy chicken and palabok.
Oh, eto na ang madams. Kumakain na naman si si Camille.
Dito lang tayo. Pupunta muna si Mami. Sige po, tupo muna kayo.
Sa kabilang
Sa kabilang kwarto. Ayan.
Tuloy ka na ba? Ginising ka ba?
Kasi magkausap niyo yung Pinas. Mami, iwan ko kayo, ha? Ayan.
Hindi naka-plastic.
Siya, samahan mo na rin si Mami. Kids. Good morning, Sam. Morning. Oh, papakita ba sa amin yung balcony ngayon habang di pa mainit? Oh, halika. Oh, open mo na. Tapos labas tayo. Anak, go. Oh, halika, dito tayo. Sam, where are you? Ay, ayun. Ayun, meron doon. Sige na.
This is me. This is Gia. This is Mama. This is Mama. This is Lola.
Morning, kiss anak!
Oh, magbe-breakfast kami. Oh, nag-breakfast.
Morning!
Oh, yan.
Magandang umaga. Ka na?
Oh, dito wala pang tao. Oh. Malaki to. Malaki to.
Yung bata ito, tsaka si Kuya, ganito ko pinapakain ito eh. There's an airplane flying up, down, landing. Release. Take off.
Oh, baka masira yung spoon.
So, one more. Oh, ayaw na.
Oh, Lola, si Moss naman po, kayo na po magsubo. Oh, Shell, how's the breakfast?
Good.
No, I cannot put it. Let's sort this thing. Hi guys, so this is the end of our vlog, and I wasn't able to video the pool since it was too crowded. And yesterday for dinner we went to Satwa, and there's a supermarket near, and
Yung Satwa ba malayo?
no,
Taxi lang yun, ano?
but the taxi is cheap.
It's very cheap. Tapos maganda sa Satwa, no? Talagang parang nasa Pinas, no? Oo. Ang reason kung bakit kami nag-taxi dahil baka pagbalik namin walang parking. So, tsaka para walang stress. Kasi traffic rin nun. Ikaw kuya.
Yeah, so guys, this is the end of our vlog, and the gym, we can only vlog outside because there was people inside. And earlier we had our breakfast, and we're about to leave now.
Okay. So, eto na, naka-arrange na yung gamit namin. Oo. Tapos kanina umaga, pinasok ni Sam yung yung balcony. Anong sasabihin mo, Sam?
Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and follow us.
Okay. So, anong feedback ang masasabi niyo sa hotel? Maganda ba?
Yeah, it's really good. The service, the place is really good.
Okay. Ikaw, Sam?
For me, I would recommend like the pool having a shade
Having a?
to cover it.
Okay. Kasi nga naman exposed kasi, no? Oo, tama nga naman. Lalo na summer.
And there is some sheet which is covered but not all the sheets.
Yung seat natin, di ba? May cover siya, di ba? Oo, okay. Nag-enjoy ba kayo?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. See you on the next vlog.
Hi, and now we just checked out from our Hotel Hyatt place, and now we're going back our things there. hotel is really good. I like the pool. It's big. I like the service here and the
Mami,
And
ano
the
po
food.
masabi niyo?
Sabi ko yan, maganda. Masarap pa nga magkain, malinis. Ano pa ba? Yun lang.
Nag-enjoy po kayo sa
Nag-enjoy
pagtulog?
ako sa pagtulog.
Masarap ang tulog niyo, Mami.
Masarap.
Oo.
Matulog na malambot. Nahigaan.
O, meron pang feedback, anak?
Yes. It was really nice.
Ah.
I like the fact that we were able to get 2 rooms.
Connecting room.
Yeah.
Okay, so, bye-bye. Bye-bye.